Good morning, all PE student, third year, third year class students. I'm going to take one topic from OOAD, Object Oriented Analysis and System. So in this, how to make class responsibility collaborator call and how to analyze. So in this class responsibility, so C or C call. C means class, R means responsibility, and C means collaborator. So in this first I am going to make CRC call in simple way. So I will tell you one example. I will tell you first one history of that CRC code. So this code is invented by Peck and Cunningham 1989 and Williamson 1995, Ampler so 1995 is a collection of standard index cards. So that have been divided into these sections. So these sections class represent a collections of similar object and a responsibility something that the class knows or does, and collaborator is another class, that is a class interact with to fulfill its responsibility. So that is all model is there in that diagram. First class name. So this class name, it is represent a collection of similar collections of similar objects. Similar objects. Here it is in responsibility. It is something that a class knows or does. So here it is a collaborator. So the collaborator is in another class. So that a class interact with fulfilled responsibility. So in this model, suppose I will say simple example for ATM. So you are going to withdraw amount in ATM. So you as a actor and you are entering into ATM room. So that is in another use case. It is a simple way. So you are entering into the ATM. So first write scenario. After scenario, no, you as a customer, you are entering into the ATM. So and finally you enter in the card and type your PIN number and type your amount you require. So finally you get the amount. So this is the scenario for the getting the money from ATM. So now the parallelly I will tell you one example for CRC card. Here you are going to buy one material online. So that is in CRC. So here customer, you as a customer and order. So who is going to order? That name of the customer, address of the customer and customer number and history of the customer. Finally you are going to order. So first customer is a class. So this is for responsibility. Responsibility, plan, order, and knows name, knows address, knows customer number, knows so history of the customer, all. Here collaboration is in you are going to order item in online. So this is a simple way to CRC code. Then next one is that order how to you are ordering, how to going to you order the place order and delivery date, place date. So you are definitely you are placing order today means today date is compulsory. Delivery date they will give within 3 days. They will give the item to you, your place, your address, and the total item you are ordered, and applicable applicable days and order number, order items. These are all it is in order is in class, and then these place date, delivery date, total, this everything order number, so order item, this everything it is in responsible, and order item is in collaboration. Okay, So this is the simple way to make the online purchasing CRC card. Next one is this CRC card originally, so it is introduced a technology for teaching the object-oriented concept and also successfully used in full-fledged modeling technique. My experience is that CRC model are incredible effective tool for the conceptual modeling as well as for detailed design. So this, it is an example. You are ordering a item in online. It is an example CRC card. This CRC card, the future prominently in extreme programming and as design technique. My focus here on applying CRC card for conceptual modeling. So with your stakeholder. So here another CRC card, student CRC card. So here student is a class, then responsibility for student number, name, address, phone number, enroll in seminar, drop a seminar, request transcriptions, this all responsibility, this seminar. So it is in collaboration. So here likewise student can attend workshop means collaboration is workshop. Student can attend conference means conference is collaboration. So then this responsibility fulfill but not have enough information to do it. For example, so here it is in figure 3. So it is the student enrolled seminar. Then likewise you can plan student feedback, student all your address. So you are giving feedback means 2 collaborations is required. One is staff, another one is about HOD, okay, about particular subject means this all comes under in collaboration. So here stakeholders struggling with concepts of student in real world. So the versus the student in the system. So the find the responsibility should ask yourself what class what informations you wish to maintain about it. So the identify the responsibility for the class, fulfill collaborations with another classes. Define collaborator. A class often does have sufficient information to fulfill the responsibility. Therefore, it must collaborate with other class to get the job done. The collaborations will be in one of the 2 forms: request for information or request to perform tasks. To identify the collaborations of the class for each responsibility, ask yourself, does the class have the ability to fulfill the responsibility? Then look for the class that either has the ability to fulfill the missing functionality or class with should fulfill doing. So you will often discover the need for the responsibility in order to class the class, and maybe even the need for a new class or 2. They move the card around. They improve everyone understanding the system. The card should place on table in intelligent manner. The 2 cards of collaborate with one another should place close together the table. So whereas 2 cards that do not collaborate should be placed fair apart. So the furthermore, the more 2 cards collaborate, the closer that should be in the test. So CRC model, so it is a combinations of multiple system. It is a combinations of multiple system, that is in CRC model. So here professor can teach to the students. Then professor address, name, designation, experience, salary. So all professor to take a class from students, and next one is students name, students address, then students email ID, students in which class they are studying. Likewise, you can that is all responsibility. Collaborations means collaborations, student in which subject they are studying, like enrollment of in what purpose they enrolled. Likewise, so it is a system, a separate system. It is displayed in this collaboration. Separate system. It is in many. The model is combinations of more than one systems. Here, building. So building, it is a system. So here the building name, and then reason, and address of the building, and that is for responsibility. Then collaboration, it is a room. So every building have a room. So that another thing. So first use case is building. First actor is building. Then use case is building name. Then reason, address, and then proof. So all it is in use case. Then so it is one way of CRC making. Another way, so every building have an attribute. Every building have an attribute. That attribute is building ID, building address, building name, etc., etc. So it is an attribute. So attribute wise, what is the responsibility? What is the collaboration? You have to mention. So here I'm already told an example for ATM withdrawal. So ATM is in it is one of the system. So you are going to withdraw the money in ATM. So anyway, the bank are involved. So who's customer? Customer is those who are withdrawing the money is a customer. And here use case, entering into ATM is an use case. So here the customer, what is the attribute of the customer? Attribute customer ID, customer name, customer address, customer phone number, customer email ID. These are all attribute. So this is the first steps of responsibility. And what is the collaboration? Here the collaborations of ATM system is first bank and account. Bank and account is one way of collaborations. So second collaborations, it is responsibility based. So this CRC card. So here the object oriented analysis, object oriented design can be quite blurry. So some activity you perform doing the analysis are continued. So in this case, the card in the CRC index card. So CRC index card is completions of method. So completion of this method, it should have a produced CRC index card. The each one of the classes you identified. So this can be actually be a receipt card and sticky note and overhead, etc. So here the example is given in the below pages. So in this example, it is in class name, class type, class characteristics. Here class name, maybe ATM, you are going to withdraw money means the customer, the bank customer, they are going to withdraw the money. So and next one, the class characteristics is in tangibility and inclusiveness and then sequentiality, and